I like the medals, sir. What are they for? Where are they from, the medals?
Fighting in the Falklands in the 80s.
Lovely. So today is the Jubilee, guys. Now obviously I'm in London right now. I'm actually working today. I'm filming a student film. But I've just popped down to Charing Cross where Buckingham Palace is, the road to Buckingham Palace. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and my goodness, there are hundreds of people everywhere, all dressed up, free flags, paid flags, the whole shebang. And this is honestly probably going to be one of the biggest events in London that I've seen in a long time, maybe even since the Euro final. There's helicopters out, there's police out in numbers. Let me just show you the queue for Buckingham Palace right now. As soon as I showed you down there is where all the TV cameras are, where you're queuing up to go to the parade. It is going to be huge. So if you're in London today, this is definitely a great thing to do. But my goodness, it is going to be busy. I'm kind of sad I have to work. I'm a tiny bit sad I have to work because I'd love to go and see what's going on down there. But what an event.